I'm like, it's not enough that I'm scared of the drop. I also gotta get smacked in the face with a.
It's a good thing your nose did not bleed.
If you ever ride any of the rides with me, I'll be sure to like
But, dude,
smack you in the face.
The Tower of Terror is so scary in my opinion. Or any drop, I guess. Any giant drop is so scary because like I felt like I was gonna fall off my seat. Grabe mo kayo pagkahulog bala. Ang feeling mo na mahulog.
Te, duma.
Wala pala may kahulog. Ay, huyat si mo. Di ako mahulog.
Oh my God. Tulbaan ka dyan, no? So,
I don't even know how to explain that feeling because it's not like a drop from a roller coaster. It's like, imagine like the floor just coming off. You know what I mean? And you're just falling. Like, I don't know. I guess it's like
scary.
Bungee jumping feels like, I don't know.
let's flash.
I got out of there. And I was like, bro, you slapped me in the face.
Ang ano kanina? Yun na sa
Last
flash
time
mo.
I rode the Goliath last time I
But
went to
imagine-
Six Flags and
Something. I was
going.
just one more thing. Like, just imagine though, it drops so fast. Ang ano ba, ang drop ya, dasi ka tama, nang
Oo. Ang galalabog.
Yeah, like if you're wearing a hat, it actually comes off. That's how fast the drops are.
There's this ride over at Six Flags called acrophobia. This is how I learned what the
Ano gani
flight
acro?
was.
Acro means?
Because it's one
heights?
of those rides where it takes you all the way up and then it drops you down. And as we were going up, me and Sissy had noticed that there was a shoe on the ceiling of the building where like people were lined up.
Bill,
At some point, someone lost their shoe.
What?
I don't know how you can lose your shoe, but
Bill, what ride was that? You remember your cousins when we went to
Oh,
California? They were telling you the story
So I
that
was showing
they
her
came
that,
out of the.
Yeah,
They were
it's a
crawling.
It's a secret thrill ride that they don't talk about. Remember I showed you it? It's technically a Ferris wheel, but not.
oh yeah.
So there's like so many people who ride that ride thinking it's like an innocent Ferris wheel, but it's actually a thrill ride.
Yeah.
Because like it's spinning, but also the cart's moving and spinning.
The Ferris wheel ito ilang sakyan.
Ferris wheel too, right? It's like each car it's moving. Go lag mo blah. Sometimes go lag.
Amo naging sakyan sang di nubya ni
Yeah,
ni John Michael.
Yeah, they never advertise it as a thrill ride. I don't know why they don't. They should.
And they came out, all of them, they were crawling because they were so. Huh?
There's so many videos on YouTube that show people. They think it's just a regular ride. Ferris wheel lang bala kahit kung tanaw mo sa gwa amo na siya may Mickey Mouse.
Ato lang istorya, di nubya ni John
It's
Michael.
really pretty to see
Na
from the outside. 'Cause it's
nagkalalamang
like
sila kuno sa
this
liit.
big Mickey Mouse face Ferris wheel.
Hi, Tay. Istoryata na oras di. Grabe ba? Alas 2 ang pagahon, no?
But yeah, there's so many videos of people getting in. They're like holding on to dear life because they don't know that it's gonna do all that.
Kaladlawan.
Go cage. It's like a cage. It's not even just like. Oh, let's go lag.
Ang kalaing ganyan ang gahangin mo si LA.
Oo, ang Batman na gani, Batman ride.
The giant.
Oo.
Yeah, the big
Ang
drop.
damo may kalalipong ganyan mo.
Ay, ang good, good lang.
Hindi sululuka.
I want to yung Tower of Terror. The Tower of Terror is the
Oo.
same. Ang manang styles ng Tower of Terror. Pagka
Ay, yung mga ganubyahan ay pagtapos kabulagay mo.
Ngaw.
Laway mo. Ginapilit mo ganito. Kalalipong nakadula ang poise.
Sa Tower of Terror na kung saka siya mo dasi depende mo kay hindi bala parehas tanan. Random lang ang drop.